everyone. In this video I want to inspire you. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, first subscribe, like this video, and I want to show you some of the things that I do around my home. I save money, I eat healthy, and my whole family is happy. My name is Asperia and this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and let's get started. So right here, these are my sugar canes that I planted around my home. I love sugar cane so much. My children love sugar cane really much. And so it was really expensive to be buying sugar canes. Sometimes you buy sugar canes and they are really hard. And yeah, I decided to plant mine. And how did I planted it? And guys, right here, I have very nice sugar canes. People who come to my place, you know that sugar cane. So I started by planting sugar canes for my home consumption. Not only that, I plant also vegetables. Apparently, I'm just from, trying to weed. If you can be able to see my hand, I've been weeding and, giving some fertilizers. So I'm going to show you some of the vegetables that I have, the ones that I commonly use around my home. So, these are tomatoes, and right now they have 2 weeks, and they are really big. It's like a big garden. And I choose to do urban farming because we are in the city and the land we have is not that big. So we choose to use the small space that we have to have food in our home, and we sell the balance, the surplus. So right here in my garden, I also have spring onions, as you can see. I also have collard or sukuma wiki, as you see here. I also plant things like spinach. Spinach is some nice vegetable. So many people prefer it for salad, others can, steam it, others do make smoothies out of it. It's healthy for our body. So right here are the things I've planted. I have dodo, I have guavas, I have a lot of things, guys. So this is the urban part of it. I do have also eggplants on the farm, guys. And these are things I started planting, slowly. But with time, the things grew up into a big project, and every person around my community is benefiting. So we don't only do that, we also have other things that we do. We do trainings in schools. We also establish kitchen gardens for people in their homes, hotels, and schools. So if you're watching me right now and you admire this kind of garden and you would want to have it in your home or at your school, or if you have a restaurant and you have a backyard, we can do this for you. We can do it in a very small space possible and at the cheapest price. So contact me. My number is always there in my bio. So let's move around and I show you more of the things that I have. That's it. This is my guava tree. Having this tree in the garden is a blessing. And having this tree in the city is a blessing, because if you live in the city, you know how many guavas they sell at 1,000, and you know how much children do love them. So we planted ours. Actually, we planted two, but one survived. And here it is. So it has guavas, and we have started eating. So you can see these ones are also coming up. Yeah, so we have also an extension of sukuma wiki. I do plant them in cement bags, but then there are other sukumas and other plants. I also plant them down in the ground. So come with me, let me show you the extension of the garden. So here we have collards also, and we have cocoyams. You know cocoyams. They are here. So guys, these cocoyams are very sweet but very expensive. Very expensive in the market. And so I like that they grow so much in water. So like you see, I created for them a trench. So I pour water down there at my home and comes and stays here for them to drink and grow. So I have cocoyams also. I have tomatoes that are soon ready to be eaten. They are down here. The type of variety I planted is a determinant tomato, so that's why they're down. But they're really nice. And this is also an extension of Sukumawi. Overcollared guys, as you can see, they are really healthy, like me, Madam Vegetarian. I eat a lot of vegetables, by the way. And so when I saw myself eating a lot of vegetables, which were very expensive for me to buy, I decided to plant them. And I don't just plant, I also sell them to the community at a very cheaper price. When you buy from my garden, just know you're taking something safe, clean, and much like a big quantity. Unlike in a market where you go and they sell you only 2 leaves. Here, I give you enough for your family. Yeah, so come with me. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe.